Hello, welcome to Food Basket. Today we are going to prepare vegetable spring rolls. Plenty of vegetables are included, making it almost a healthy snack. Let us see how to prepare vegetable spring rolls. Here I have taken one large onion, a 1-inch piece of ginger, 4 cloves of garlic, 1 green chili, 1 large carrot, 10 French beans, quarter of a cabbage, and half a capsicum. I have cut the vegetables into thin, long pieces. The ginger, garlic, and green chilies have been chopped fine. Let us heat a pan and add 3 tablespoons of oil. Let us add the chopped ginger, garlic, and green chilies. The ginger and garlic are well sauteed. Let us add the sliced onions. Let us keep the flame high. Let us saute the onions for 2 to 3 minutes and then add the French beans. Let us saute the beans for 2 to 3 minutes and then add the carrots. Let us saute the carrot for 3 to 4 minutes and then add the cabbage. Let us saute the cabbage for 2 minutes and then add the capsicum. Let us add salt. Let us add 2 tablespoons tomato sauce. Let us add half teaspoon pepper powder. The vegetables should not get overcooked. Let us saute them for 3 to 4 minutes and then turn off the gas. The vegetables are a little crisp now. Let us turn off the gas. To make the wrapper for the spring rolls, let us take 2 cups of maida. Let us add salt. Let us add 1 teaspoon oil. Let us mix it well. Let us add a little water and make a dough like for chapatis. Let us cover and keep for 30 minutes. 30 minutes are over. Let us divide the dough into portions. Let us roll out the portions like for chapati. Let us keep a tawa heated on medium flame. Let us put the wrapper on the tawa. Let us slightly warm one side of the wrapper and then move it from the tawa. Let us ready all the wrappers in this manner. Let us take 2 teaspoon maida. Let us make a paste with a little water. This is for sealing the edges of the spring rolls. Let us take each wrapper. Let us keep the cooked side upwards. Let us put a little of the vegetable mix. Let us roll it up like this. Let us apply a little maida paste and seal the edges. Let us prepare all the spring rolls in this manner. All the spring rolls are now ready. Let us heat oil for frying. Let us put the spring rolls into the hot oil. The spring rolls are golden on both sides. Let us remove them. All the spring rolls are now ready. Let us move them to a serving plate. Hope you like the vegetable spring rolls preparation. Definitely try it out. Send me your feedback. Thank you. Come again. Goodbye.